this is Norris at Norgate Home Improvement. Today we're making a duplex up here in Niagara Falls. So basically we've been, we start from the basement, we're doing upstairs and downstairs. So we have all the framing, 85% of the framing done. We're gonna put over here the furnace area with the hot water tank and stuff. We're gonna have a kitchen over that side. We're gonna blow this wall, put in a high beam. And yep, now we have like 2 bedrooms downstairs and 3 bedrooms upstairs, right? So this side, starting from this side, this is like a master bedroom. As you can see, we have a panel over here, and we put in a nice small closet, and over here we have a bed, bathroom. Know what I mean? So over that side, we're gonna blow that wall. And then we're going to put in a washing machine and drying over here. So we're going to blow this wall, do some framing, and that's going to be the laundry area. You know what I mean? So let's show you what's going on the other side. Yeah. Ding dong. Alright, so we have a washroom. We're going to start work on tomorrow. And then over here, we have another closet. And we already finished all the framing and stuff. You know what I mean? So guys, just stay tuned. You guys want to really see more? Let me take you upstairs. Nope, that's that information I don't need. So now this is the upper layer. Let's start it from here. Over here. So you see a better picture. So we're going to take out this beam over here, and we're going to put the LVL beam from here to over here, and we're going to put a powder room on this side, and the kitchen, we're going to shift the kitchen from that area to over here. So we're going to have a kitchen like this. You know what I mean? That's one thing. So then let me show you the bedrooms now. We have flooring to do. We have this bathroom, next bathroom over here to do. Next bathroom, we have this bathroom over here. 1 bedroom over here. Here, the linen closet, and so on, so on. So guys, stay tuned to Norgate Home Improvement, and you will see what's going on. You guys need any renovation, any duplex, triplex, need to convert your home to a rental income property, let me know, alright? Stay tuned.